Alright.
Oh, God.
When you come up with
No water.
I am some cream people take it and that's your main fruit.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another vlog. I know you haven't seen my face in a second. Just trying to kind of, get myself situated for classes and stuff. Started class Sunday, we're gone. Today was my last day of classes for the week. I had a 7 a.m. class this morning. First time I've had those type of classes, so I kind of had to situate myself into waking up early for it and getting into the vibe and all of that thing. And I'm not worrying about them anymore. I can now focus on my personal life. So I'm gonna do some cleaning today, then record and editing in between, do a little cleaning. I'm gonna make breakfast now. I have already made some banana pancakes and I have some batter left back in the fridge, so I'm gonna reuse that batter, just to make it easier. I'm just gonna do the pancakes alone. I already had some coffee this morning, so I'll just have water with it. But I think that's it so far. I'm gonna take you guys through the whole day with me, morning, evening, everything. I should have started earlier when I just started class, but I wasn't even really missing it. I just wanted to join the class and kind of see what it was like. So let's go into the kitchen because now we're gonna make breakfast. Okay, so breakfast or partial breakfast is finished. I just did some mini pancakes with the rest of the batter I had, and just put a little syrup on there. I didn't feel for any confection of sugar this morning. I'm going to just have some water with this. As I said, I had coffee already before, so that's what I'm gonna have for breakfast. Alright guys, so I think it's 2:55, almost 3 o'clock. I just warmed up some pizza that I had made, so I just warmed it up to have it. I finished some editing already, and I also just answered some comments and stuff like that. Mom is going to do a video, so I'm gonna help her with that, and then after that I have a different video to record with her. That one is gonna go up. It's gonna be up before you see this, and then after that, what else do I have to do? Oh, I want to just like vacuum out my floors and stuff like that tomorrow. Just seeing my head in the mirror. Anyways, I just want to vacuum up my floors, and I would wipe, but I don't think I want to wipe now. I think I just want to vacuum up the floors because I want to do like a full proper cleaning maybe tomorrow, or I have class on Sunday, so more than likely between Friday to Saturday I want to do that. Well, by the time you guys see this, I probably will do it already, or I'm doing it. So yeah, I want to do that just to get myself actually ready for the new week. Because even though I said I was going to refresh my room and whatnot in my previous vlog, for school, the new week came. I only like changed bed sheets and stuff. I did not get to refresh any room at all. I just wasn't in the mood. I didn't catch the vibe. I couldn't bother to force myself. Somebody just needed to sit alone. I just went to classes. These are just introduction classes and all of that. So I want to actually clean it this time. I also took out my braids a few nights ago. I was just kind of tired of them now, and they were also they just kind of looked tired and done for at this point. So I was like, you know what, let's just take them out. I think I am going to just be giving braids a little break, because last year I wore braids most of last year. So I think I'm just gonna give braids a little break until maybe like the end of February or middle February, maybe start back again. Gonna do my hair in, you know, just some mini twists. That's my go-to hairstyle when my natural hair is out, because I don't want to deal with wearing high puffs and slick backs every day. That's not good for your hair. So I am going to do some mini twists and just keep those in a protective style. Yeah, and that's about that. Just kind of navigating my way through how I'm going to, you know, prioritize my days now that I start back soon. So yeah. So I'm gonna have my lunch. I'm gonna have my lunch. When I'm done with lunch, I'm gonna record a video for Mom. She's doing like this cake, and when that's done, I'm gonna record the video that you guys will see before this, and then I'll come back and you guys will see me just, you know, like vacuuming floors and all of that stuff. I think the only thing I'm not sure on today is what I'm going to eat for dinner. I don't know what I'm eating tonight, you know. I'm gonna see it in my review yet. I'm gonna see it in my video. I'm gonna eat tonight as yet. I don't really have like any chicken. I had done my last piece of chicken with pasta from the start of this week. I did like some chicken alfredo, and it served me all the way to Wednesday. That done last night, which was last night was Wednesday. And what else? I had my pizza. This I just have like one more slice, and that can really pull me up because the slices are a bit small. What else? I think there's ham in the fridge, but like I don't know what to have with the ham right now. I'm really want a rice. I'm not sure, but I'll figure it out. Okay guys, so Mom is frosting the carrot cake that we had done, which was with the walnuts and such. We did put our shorts on it, so she's frosting it. We did some peanut butter buttercream frosting, yeah. So I just did 2 cakes. Nothing, you know, nothing much. It's just kind of for the house, honestly. So we're not really cutting off the sides or anything like that, because it's just for the house. And
so that's a rough thing.
yeah, it's not, we're not crumb coating it or nothing like that either.
And that down there wait for him, mother.
It's have to go in the fridge first.
Yeah, baby. Yeah, put them here together.
It have to go in the fridge first to set. I think it would be best when it's in there and it's
I don't know if you want to set in.
I think so. But peanut butter this with oil.
I don't know. I mean, I do nothing, nothing special me I do, you know. I mean, not even the peer off a cake then. Just I do it. I can't wait for cut it neither. It's yummy.
I feel like the peanut butter frosting very much more pairs with the chocolate. I don't know, that's just me. Remember when you did the chocolate cupcakes and you did the peanut butter frosting with it? Those are really, really good.
I don't know we had chat about chocolate and sitting.
No, the Patreon video we did at the time.
I never remember. You know, some of them is not me a talk and me say, I don't even remember some of these Patreon videos.
I liked it. It tastes good, but I feel work with this as well. I hope. I guess. Yeah.
Yes, I just slumber on this, you know, can't look here.
Just need a little sweet something at the house. So.
Yeah, I can't wait for him. I don't wait neither. I noticed I'm not pair the cake them.
Yeah.
Because they have a little rise. On the top, and normally you should have paired them. But
yeah, for flattening, for straightening. But I'm not really for presentation. I just put it on and sit down and eat. I definitely think you should put it in the fridge though. After you done cut your cake.
I don't think so. I put it in the fridge, of course.
Yeah.
But may I finish it up and dress it up and show them the so level it up with the rest of the frosting.
Yeah.
I'm just kind of swirl it like with what is something in my name? Spatula.
Yeah.
A Friday to the name, I think.
Today Friday, and I'm just
See it come round, so the spatula, so the peanut butter, you see it? See it full out the space them. Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
And that's how the thing set, Mama.
Alright guys, so when we're done, we'll show you it. And Mom cutting a slice. Alright guys, so we're finished. We do a little swirly pattern and something. And Mama gonna cut it now. Cut.
And this one here now cut like it was. What did happen to the other one?
And which one you talking
That
about?
one here too. That slice here too.
That slice was way too big. You cut that in at all?
For what?
What slice in a big? Our walnut, no, carrot and walnut cake. So I'm gonna end the vlog here as well, guys. I'm gonna cut something because not really do much. It was just kind of like a slow day and whatnot. So Mommy and Dia go share that and eat that now. I don't really want a peanut butter right now because you eat peanut butter for peanut butter sandwich for breakfast. So later me eat a slice. So see you guys in another vlog. Bye.